Hi everyone! Want a simple way to save money on your air conditioning HVAC repairs? If you do, follow along. Today, I want to share something I learned from years of working in property management. It is terrible when your AC goes out and the heat outside is unbearable. The last thing you want is for your AC to go out. Before we sent an HVAC technician to a home, we always had the tenant go through a simple checklist first. Many times, the problem was something they could fix themselves, saving everyone the cost and hassle of a service call. It just might be something simple. On those hot days, it would be terrible to have to wait for a service tech to tell you it was something simple you could have checked first. During the height of the season, it may take a week or so to get a service tech out to your home, and nobody wants that. Let's go through that checklist to see what you can check before asking for a costly service call. 1. Check your thermostat. Make sure it's set to cool and that the temperature is set lower than the current room temperature. 2. Replace the thermostat batteries. Weak batteries can cause all kinds of strange problems. If you're not sure how old they are, replace them. 3. Check your air filter. A dirty filter can restrict airflow and may even cause the indoor coil to freeze. If the filter looks dirty, replace it. 4. Make sure your vents are open. Walk through the house and make sure supply vents and return vents aren't blocked by furniture, rugs, or curtains. 5. Check your circuit breaker. If it's tripped, reset it once. If it trips again, don't keep resetting it. Or just take a quick look at your breaker panel to see if the AC breaker has tripped. If you're not comfortable working around electricity, don't. Leave anything electrical to a qualified HVAC technician or electrician. 6. Make sure the furnace power switch is on. Many furnaces have a light switch-looking power switch somewhere around the unit. It can accidentally get turned off. 7. Look at the outdoor unit. Is the fan running? Do you hear unusual noises? Is there anything blocking airflow around the unit? Remove any debris that may have fallen on the unit or stuck in the fan. 8. Check for ice. If you see ice on the refrigerant lines or the indoor unit, turn the air conditioner off and let it thaw. A dirty filter is one common cause, but there can be other causes that require a technician. If you've gone through this checklist and your system still isn't working properly, it's time to call a qualified HVAC service technician. They have the tools and training to diagnose problems safely. I hope this checklist helps you avoid an unnecessary service call and maybe saves you a little money. That's because we like to keep things simple around here. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss a thing. See you in the next video!